Accordingly, the nomination of Honorable Idagbon Williams of Morige, FICMC, is hereby confirmed as a commissioner representing Edo, Ekiti, and Ondo states in the Federal Civil Service Commission. Let me congratulate the nominee on his confirmation by the Senate, and particularly commend him for the statesmanship that he has shown in tendering apologies to relevant authorities for all sorts of negative publications in the social media that tended to affect the personality of our colleague, the distinguished Senator Oshiomhole, and to plead with distinguished Senator Oshiomhole to accept the apologies from this nominee and his assertion that those things were done by his traducers, and also commend distinguished Senator Oshiomhole for showing a sign of forgiveness, particularly in this period of Christmas, when God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son to come and be born and later to die for the sins of mankind. To err is human, but to forgive is divine. And I will also personally invite the nominee, who has just been confirmed a commissioner now, to also further do a video recording so that Nigerians will know that he did not in any way attempt to demean the person of his distinguished benefactor. I understand that even his appointment was done by distinguished Senator Oshiomhole. He nominated him for this appointment, and whatever happened in the past, the Senate is satisfied that he has shown remorse and he has denied ever attempting to either insult or impugn the character of the distinguished Senator Oshiomhole. So we'll do everything possible to ensure that we continue to resolve issues and bring peace between brothers, even outside the chambers of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So I congratulate him, I wish him well in the new endeavor, and I hope that he will discharge the services of representing the three states of Edo, Ekiti, and Ondo in a way that will bring glory to our fatherland. Leader of the Senate.